this is a little tutorial to let you understand how UDAB works. Important to understand the kit composition. So we have the UDAB head unit, then we have two USB connection. One is to recover the USB functionality. The second is to connect UDAB to the head unit. Then important, we have the T-harness to connect UDAB in series to the OM system. And last one, the button in order to manage easily sound function. Let's start the connection. The first operation is to plug in series to the original system the T-harness. We simulate a car on the bench, and we can see that we have to plug the cable, power and speaker, and then to the head unit. Then we have to put this connector in the correspondent of UDAB, and we can see that the system start for a few seconds with delayed red in order to confirm that the system is powered. Now it's important to make the connection of the USB. So we have the USB COM, that means communication, and we have to plug here, and this one must be connected in the USB port of the radio. This one is to recover the USB so to continue to use normally your radio with USB pen, and this one must be connected here. Okay. The last two connections are the button, very simple to plug. You have just to connect the connector, and then this is with adhesive part, so to attach where you prefer the button. Another important point is to connect the DAB antenna back the UDAB. So as we have seen, the connection are very simple. Just power the system in series to the OM radio, plug the button, plug the USB, and plug the DAB antenna. Once the connection are done, now we simulate the radio switch on. So we give the ignition to the radio. The radio takes its time to upload the system, and we can see that the LD of the button is green. This means that the system is ready for the DAB. Now, in order to select the DAB radio, we have to press USB, and the system turn automatically to UDAB. Here we have a list of radio now available. The first operation to make is to make a scan. So you have to push and keep pushing the button till you hear the sound in the speaker, and for all the time that is in scan, this LED blinks. When the scan is finished, the system restarts. Now, by checking the folder, we can see the folder existing, and these are the folder we have. So 4 MUX, Eurodub, DAB IT, CRDAB, DAB RAI, and system, that is our folder. Now, for example, we can select DAB RAI, and we can, now there is Radio 2, we can go to Classica. And now we are in Classica. In the same logic, we can carry on to another radio. For example, after Classica there is GR Parlamento. And so on. Radio Kids. So this is the way it works. Now, if we want to listen to the USB music, we have to insert in the location in the car the USB, and then simply push one time the button. You will see that the LED switch off, the system switch off, and in a few time, depending from the radio, we can see that the USB now is playing. To come back to UDAB, it's simple to do, just press the button and the same things. The system switch to the UDAB and the USB pen is off. Upgrade is simple, just download the file into a pen key, insert in the UDAB USB port in this way, check the LED, the start to blink yellow quickly, then green slowly. You can remove the key, the system become red, and then restart.